Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to livecasebreak.com. We're doing a single box break of Absolute Football. This is a company box. We usually do this the first day we get a new product. We just had 4 of them up on screen. Larry picked bottom right, so we'll see what he gets here, or what we get rather. Absolute Football. What do we got here? All right, cool. Got a couple minis here. Wow, very nice packaging, guys. You can see they got seals on both ends here. Extremely tamper-proof. Good stuff. All right, here we go. Good luck to us. I guess I can just cut one end. There we go. Okay, so we got packs. Let me open these all up. Got a jumbo card in that one. And a jumbo card in that one. Alright, do the 2 jumbos. We'll do the 2 jumbos last. Here we go. Clear packs. Card design looks alright. Okay, we got base cards on the bottom here. There we go. Okay, there's our first card. LeGarrette Blount for the Bucks. Pretty much looks like the past Absolute designs. Ndamukong Suh. I don't think any of these are numbered. No. Jamal Charles. Got a Roddy White Spectrum. Let's see what that's numbered. That is numbered out of 50. 28 out of 50 Roddy White. And our first hit for the Bears, Alshon. Nice. Alshon Jeffrey. Jumbo 17. What's that numbered? 22 out of 99. 22 out of 99, Alshon Jeffrey, Jumbo 17 relic. Alright, we got this small pack next. Yes, you will. Alright, got an auto in the middle here. Slide that around. Here we go. Alright, Mr. Newton on the front. So Cam, we got Matt Schaub, DeMarco Murray. We have a Gold Spectrum Orson Charles for the Bengals. Let's see what that's numbered. Oh wow, it's numbered out of 25. 10 out of 25 Orson Charles Gold Spectrum for the Bengals. And the second hit is Mike Martin Gold Spectrum for the Titans. So Mike Martin Spectrum Gold, I think that'll be out of 25. Nope, that's not out of 25. 78 out of 299, so very high numbered on the Titans auto. Mike Martin, I don't know how he is. Alright, we got 2 more, we got a jumbo pack here, and then the bottom card, for the bottom pack has some jumbo too. You can destroy the cards, that's all you. Now we got a redemption in here. Let's see, Jeremy Maclin, Daniel Thomas, Timmy Tebow, Quentin Coples out of 399, and our redemption is Rookie Premier Materials NFL Signatures, Robert Turbin. Robert Turbin, Rookie Premier Material NFL Signatures. I have no idea what that's numbered. Robert Turbin. Alright, last pack. So far, this box has been a bust. Oh. Uh-oh. Tell me this is autographed. I can't tell if it's autographed. Jason Witten, McGahee, Britt. And if this is autographed, it just turned into a hell of a box. Oh my god, it is. On card, RG3. Holy crap. Triple relic and it's autographed. On card, not even sticker. And that saved our box. Oh wow, numbered to 49. 4 of 49. Super low numbered. Larry, you picked the right box, man. Bottom right. 4 out of 49, RG3. Wow. I love that. That's awesome. I love that it's on card. I saw the helmet, so I knew who it was. I couldn't tell it was autoed. I saw it from like here up. That is sick. Alright, triple relic NFC. Good stuff. 4 out of 49. So the other 3 cards are garbage, but that's a nice one. Well, Alshon Jeffrey's not too bad out of 99. Someone figure out what these are numbered out of? Rookie Premier Materials, NFL Signatures. Rookie Premier Materials, NFL Signatures. Anybody tell me what those are numbered out of? I'd appreciate it. Yeah, you had the Redskins. Redskins are still available for both breaks tonight. So are the Colts. I think we got 21 teams in case 1 and 24 teams in case 2. I was going to say he's parking cars. It's not worth much. I just want to know what it's numbered out of. Alright, I got to get a case for this RG3. It's 100 points. There we go, RG3 on card. The turban is numbered to 299. Alright. Well, RG3 saved the box. 4 out of 49. Alright guys, anybody else want a box? I've got 8 boxes here. And we got the case breaks coming up. DK, refresh, buddy.